Hi and welcome back to another episode of the FOGO Life. Today I want to show you how to make an amazing Salvadorian pan con pavo, a leftover turkey sandwich. It's turkey season and that means tons of leftovers. What are you going to do with all these turkey leftovers? I have an amazing recipes for you and I bet you will want to do it a lot more times during the year so you can have it more often. This recipe comes from El Salvador and it's basically a roasted chili sauce that you can put on top of your turkey and you can put on a sandwich and top it with fresh vegetables, cucumber, tomatoes and radish. It's really amazing and I bet you'll want to have more than one sandwich. Let me show you how to do it. This sauce has a lot of different spices in it, from bay leaves to sesame seeds to guajillo chile. I'm going to put the full list of ingredients and quantities in the description for you guys. While the vegetables are roasting and getting a nice char, I'm going to start roasting the spices. This really unlocks a lot of flavor. Whenever you can, I always recommend roast your spices. It really makes a big difference. Just quickly heat them up without burning them. Once the vegetables and the spices are done roasting, combine them in a blender. Finally, bring the mixture to a boil and simmer for a few minutes to thicken it. Alright guys, our sauce for the pan con pavo, our Salvadorian turkey sandwich is ready. It was a bit of a different recipe than we usually have. But yeah, here we have our leftover turkey. We have a little bit of breast, a little bit of leg meat. I cut a couple of tomatoes, cucumber and radish. And here basically we have our sauce. So let me make a sandwich for you guys. We have some of the leftover turkey breast right here. So let me put a layer of that. A couple of pieces. Looks pretty nice. You can make it as much as you want. Let's put some cucumber. Actually, it's getting a little full in here. Let's put some sauce already. Just a little bit of sauce. Remember, this sauce is full of spices and you know, it's very rich. So, you know, go a little bit light on it. See how you like it. If you like a little bit more, put a little bit more. If you find the sauce is too thick, you can always stretch it with a couple more vegetables, add some more tomatoes, put some more water in it. You know, make it your own. Okay, and to finish it off, we add some tomatoes. I love these, like, it's really nice big beef tomatoes, beautiful. All right, and here we go. Now, if that's not an absolutely amazing sandwich, check it out, guys. It's amazing. Okay, let's have a bite. You know, I got a good bite of turkey, cucumber, radish, and the tomato, and the sauce. It's really good, like really tasty, tons of flavor, really good. This Salvadorian relajo sauce, that's what it's called, you know, for the pan con pavo, really adds to the turkey, you know, that's a little bit lacking in flavor. So it really makes it like a Central American party in your mouth. It's really nice, I really enjoy it. Amazing, guys, really good. Well, you know, I really hope I inspired you with today's video and you're going to try this at home. It's a really great sauce. It really makes your turkey leftovers pop, and it adds like an amazing value. And as I was saying in the beginning of the episode, you might like it so much, you might actually roast the turkey just to make sandwiches out of it. I do it all the time. It's amazing. Well, thank you guys so much for watching, and if you liked today's episode, don't forget to subscribe, comment below, and see you again next week. Thank you.